with the Jubilee, and we stopped over to my mom-in-law's house. She called me while we were there, and she said she got her lawnmower out of the shed for the first time this year and it would not start. So we're gonna do a little carb job slash carb in a can cleaning. Just the plastic little Briggs carburetor that don't really have anything go wrong with them. Sometimes they have a little bit of warpage when they get a little age on them, but this one's only like a year old, and it hadn't ran since last summer, and it's just got some stale fuel in there, and that ready start system is real sensitive on that. When it has stale fuel, they just won't crank real good. It'll bust off on carb cleaner and it'll just go right back to dying. So let's go ahead and pull the bowl off of this thing, and we're going to flush out the inside of the carburetor and see if it'll crank right back up. The bowl on this carburetor is real super easy to get off. It's just one screw here. It's 9/32 head or 7mm. Just pull those screws off and this bowl will just pop right off of here. And it's got an O-ring around it, which these are a little bit tough to get back on the carburetor whenever you go back with it. So I like to put a little lubricant before you try to shove it back up on there, or otherwise you're going to cut this O-ring. As you can tell, it's not really gummed up at all. Sorry for the wind noise, but I think it's going to work. Let's go ahead and try to clean this main jet out here and just give it a squirt. And this one too. Squirt just a little bit of penetrating oil right there so I can dip my finger. I'm going to go all the way around this O-ring with this penetrating oil, so we'll slide it right back up on the carburetor a lot easier. Just go ahead and get your screws. Man, I can't stress to y'all enough on these plastic carburetors to not over tighten these screws, because it will warp this carburetor. Just snug. Tight right there. There we go. Let's give it a pull. Oh yeah. Job well done. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, appreciate it very much. And once you subscribe, there's will be a little bell over there that you can hit, and you'll get all my newest uploads. Y'all have a good day. Mower Medic 1.